Hi, and welcome to another installment of My Guy Rob. My name, as always, is Rob Mack, partner here at Kurlander, Burton Mack in San Francisco. Today we're going to be talking about what you should be doing and what you should be thinking about after you file a claim and the insurance company calls you asking for a recorded statement. First thing you should just know, if you file a claim, whether it's through a personal injury or workers' compensation action, the insurance company is going to call you and ask for your side of the story. They are going to ask for a recorded statement, and they have the right to ask for one. That being said, you can always not give a statement. They don't have a right to force you to make a statement. However, if you don't make the statement, it's pretty likely that they're going to deny your claim and say that you weren't cooperating with them. But if you don't feel comfortable talking with them, if you're concerned you're going to say something wrong, then just don't talk to them. If that happens, though, you're probably going to need to consult an attorney to try and pursue your claim for you. Now, the first thing to remember if you do decide to make a recorded statement is that anything you say will be on the record. They will use it against you in the future if what you say is not accurate. So it's very important to be truthful and be to the point. However, if you don't know the answer, just say you don't know. If you don't remember, just say you don't remember. That's absolutely fine. We don't want you to guess. So it's important that you are truthful, but if you don't know the answer, say you don't know the answer. Keep your answers short and to the point. Also, it's really important that you're specific about what happened, specific about the events that led to your injury, but also be specific about which body parts are hurt. It's important to over-include in this situation. If you were in a car accident and you got whiplash, any body part that is hurting at all, you should say your neck, your back, your shoulders. It's really important that you say which body parts are hurt because you don't want them to down the line to say, hey, he or she didn't bring this up when we first got hurt and now they shouldn't be included in the claim. So you aren't a doctor, so you don't need to give a medical diagnosis. All you need to do is say, my back hurts, my neck hurts, say which doctors you went to. The medical records are going to speak for themselves. You're not a doctor. Just talk the way you would normally speak to anyone and explain how you're feeling. As always, and I've mentioned this in my other videos too, when you get hurt, it's really important that you go see a doctor. And it's important that when you have these recorded statements that you tell them which doctors you've seen. If it's a workers' comp case, they're going to send you to a doctor and they might already have those records, but it's so important that you say which facility, which doctor, which location you went to. In a personal injury case, they're not going to have any of this information. So it's important that you tell them, again, the name of the doctor, the facility that you attended in order to get the treatment. And you need, again, like I said in these other videos, it's always very important to get the treatment because without the treatment, there's no medical records. Without the medical records, there's no evidence. Without any evidence, there's no recovery. So it's important you go to the doctor, you tell them which doctors that you've been to. Also, if you've missed time from your job, it's really important that you explain that to them in this call, even if they don't ask. They usually do, but if they don't ask, it's important that you let them know where you work, how much time you missed, which doctors told you cannot work, how much you make an hour or in a year, so that they can then get that information and so you have the evidence down the line that you've suffered wage loss. In a workers' comp case, they're going to pay you temporary disability while you're off work, so it's important you let them know right away so they begin the payments. In a personal injury case, this is evidence we're going to use at the end of your case in order to get wage loss associated with a settlement or at trial. So basically what it comes down to is this. When the insurance company calls you, don't freak out. Just make a decision. If you don't feel comfortable talking with them, don't talk with them, but you're going to need to call an attorney. If you do speak with them, be truthful, be to the point. If you don't know an answer, just say you don't know. Make sure you let them know which body parts are injured, where you've received medical treatment, and if you missed any time from work. So thank you again, everyone, for watching this video. Again, my name is Robert Mack. I'm a partner here at Kurlander, Burton Mack, and I hope you have a wonderful day.